Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take you BGS class and our today's topic is chapter 2 creative question 2. So let's start the class. Students, please look at the board. This is chapter 2, the creative question. This is the second creative question. That Shanta belongs to a small indigenous family of Mymensingh. Antara went to Shanta's home along with her to pay a visit. She saw that Shanta's father lived in her mother's house. Shanta told her since she was the youngest daughter of the family, she would live in the house even after her marriage and inherit all properties. Once their community used to worship trees, sea, hills, etc. Now they watch television. Roads of their area have been developed. As members of their community are massively becoming educated, their food and clothing habits have changed. So this is the stem, and from this stem we have 4 questions. The first one, number A, is which indigenous group does the Gopi dance belong to? Number B, what is Vaishyavi? Number C, to which indigenous group does Shanta belong? Explain in the light of the stem. And number D is all indigenous groups have changed like Shantas. Explain the statement. So these are the question, and now we will start reading the answer. At first, number A, which indigenous group does the Gopi dance belong to? Number A, the answer is the Gopi dance belongs to the Manipuri ethnic group. Now number B, what is Vaishyavi? Number B, Vaishyavi is the colorful yearly festival of the ethnic groups in the hill tracts region. The word Vaishyavi has been derived from combining the first alphabets of the names of 3 chief festivals. Vaishuk, Shangrai and Biju were celebrated separately by the different ethnic communities previously. But now these 3 festivals are celebrated together, which is called Vaishyavi. Now number C, to which indigenous group does Shanta belong? Explain in the light of the stem. So this is the question. Now we will start reading the answer. Number C is Shanta belongs to the indigenous group of Garos, as her home is in the district of Mymensingh. The Garo community hails from the greater Mymensingh. Shanta's father lives in her mother's house. She told Antara as she was the youngest daughter of her family, she would live in her house even after her marriage and inherit all properties. That means the Garos are of maternal society. The youngest daughter of Garo family is entitled to inherit all properties of her mother, and the husband of his daughter has to live compulsorily with his in-laws family. As these characteristics are found in Shanta's family, we can say that Shanta is a girl belonging to the Garo community. So this is the answer of question number C. Now the last one, number D. All indigenous groups have changed like Shantas. Explain the statement. So let's start number D. All indigenous groups have changed like Shantas. The statement is correct. Like Garo, most of the ethnic groups have changed their lifestyle. The Garos reside in Greater Mymensingh. Actually, each of these ethnic communities have their own unique culture. From ancient times, these communities have been worshipping trees, sea and hill. This devotion and dedication is still there among them to a great extent. The belief that man is subservient to nature. So nature is even ever present in all of their rituals, customs, social rites and everyday life. But gradually they have come in touch with the colonist and grown habituated with the modern social lifestyle. Religious beliefs, customs, rituals, education and culture of modern civilization have started to have an impact upon their lives. Many groups have accepted new religions. The Garos have accepted Christianity. They have come out of their traditional way of life. Thus, all indigenous groups of people have changed their status like Shantas. And students, just look here, your homework will be, this is HW number 7 and your homework will be chapter 2 CQ2, that means these questions number A and B. Question number A and B. And the question number A is which indigenous group does the Gopi dance belong to? And number B is what is Boishobi? Okay, so number A and B, these two questions are your homework. And you have to submit this homework on Saturday. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.